This video I will show you step by step how to laser cut and engrave beautiful card with custom text and image. So here is what I will be using today: Kraft paper and my laser engraver. I am using Sculpfun S9. Design file for my card. I will use this one preparing the design. So I want to engrave this text: "Thank you for the order," with image and my logo. I have already prepared the design. You can add quotes, messages, or simple illustration like this. Before engraving, you need to edit the image, convert it to grayscale or to black and white, increase contrast if you need, adjust brightness. I will show you today how I will cut and engrave in Lightburn. So File, Open, Desktop, all supported files. Here is my file. Card, open. Now I need to place my image. Okay. This I will delete. So we need to change our settings. This is settings for cutting polywood, birch polywood. So I need to change the setting because Kraft paper is thin and you can easily burn it. So it's important to use the right laser settings. I will use these settings for cutting a Kraft paper. Let's try to cut. Now you have a unique handmade greeting card made entirely with a laser. If you enjoyed this project, please give it a like and subscribe for more laser ideas. And let me know in the comments what kind of card would you make.